Hi everyone and welcome to And So On. My name is Lisa and today I have some awesome new to me patterns that are free for your sewing this summer. Now I decided to go down a whole rabbit hole and find a whole bunch of new free patterns. These patterns are from all over the world and I've really scoured to try and find some really good ones just for summer. What I'm going to do is today I'm going to cover dresses and jumpsuits as well as accessories, and then tomorrow or the next time I'm able to get this up, I'm going to cover separates and lingerie and swimwear. So that's how I'm going to divide it up. I'm going to go through them right now, show you on my computer, and give you hopefully a whole bunch of really exciting new free sewing inspo. All right, here we go. So let's start with this one from Sew Daily. Now you need to download this by the end of May. If not, where I link you will probably have whatever is new. But I just thought this was the cutest little popover dress, and it has size 0 to 24, so great size range, easy, quick popover for summer. Next, from Rebecca Paige, we have the Portia party dress that comes in double extra small to 5XL. And I just thought this was so cute. There's like a mommy and me version. It's got very classic retro kind of tea dress style that I thought would be great. This is another one that comes up differently every month. This is the Bernina Inspiration magazine newsletter, and whenever you sign up, you can click on a free download for whatever their pattern is that month. So I got the May one, and it should give me one every month. It also looks like a really cute magazine, but I will link you up, and when you sign up for their newsletter, you will be able to grab the free pattern. Next, we have the Rae Dress, which is from Bel Etoile. I believe it is a Dutch company, and they have some really super cute patterns, both for adults and for kids. This Rae Dress is very sweet, very on trend right now. It's got some nice little differences in the neckline and such. It goes European sizing from 34 to 50, and yeah, give it a try. TheMakerist.com is offering on behalf of Pattern Union the Phoebe, and this is just so cute. So the base jumpsuit pattern, the Phoebe, is offered for free, but then there are add-on packs that turn it into a boiler suit, that turn it into a ruffle dress, that turn it into all different things. So it's a really, really cool concept of how that pattern works, and it's offered in sizes 6 to 20. Next, from Fibre Mood, we have the Charlotte short dress. They have a longer version of this that's a paid-for pattern, but this is the short version. It's so cute. It comes in sizes 0 to 26, so again, great big range. I've seen people make this without the ruffle, and it just looks absolutely adorable as well, so that's a great one. This halter dress from Sew Mag is absolutely adorable. I can see that in all of the beautiful viscoses that are out right now. I love the shape of it. This comes in sizes UK 6 to 20, and you can see that all of the instructions are there below. So all you have to do is download the pattern and off you go. It's just adorable for summer. Sew Daily runs a monthly sew along, and if you add it to your account during that month, it's free, and it's free for a lifetime. So it's great to go back and check out what they're doing. This Manassa maxi dress that goes in sizes extra small to quadruple XL is absolutely adorable. There's a video series that goes along with it. I just think it's the cutest thing. So you want to get to those freebies and add that Manassa maxi. Here's Sinclair Patterns Valley Knit Skater Dress. This is very new. It's only been out a little while. I love all the different variations on the length, on the sleeves. It really is so cute, and it just seems to be flattering on absolutely everyone. This is very 90s, really, really cute. Now, let's see. I can't remember what the sizing was on this. Let's see. Yes, extra small to quadruple XL. So again, great, great size range. So run over to Sinclair Patterns and pick that one up for sure. The Fold line is sharing Schittchen Patterns Zero Waste Dress, and I added this because I just thought it was such a great concept that you're not wasting anything from the dress. In fact, what you're cutting out from the neckline, you use for the pocket bags. It's all one size, but what a great concept. George and Ginger has the Rylee dress, the PDF. I'd never heard of them before, and I just found this, and I think it's so cute for summer. Absolutely classic, easy wearing, just one of those things that you can throw on and make in all different kinds of colors and styles. Absolutely a winner. This comes in size 0 to 20, and I love that they give you lots of help along the way of what fabrics to choose, and they give you lots of hand holding, which is always nice. Petite Stitchery offers this women's get it together dress. Petite Stitchery does design for the petite woman on petite sizing, which is great. I love the contrast tie that people have done with this. I think it's absolutely adorable. Again, extra small to quadruple XL. And yeah, another really, really cute dress. Love those pockets as well. Just adorable. Bonnie and Blythe have two offerings. The Mara Lounge dress. This is also a one-size-fits-all dress. And this is one of the ones that you could really just see living in, couldn't you? It's just so soft. I love the button placket in the front, the pockets. I've seen people use it as a nightgown or as a nursing dress or, you know, sort of after baby dress. But I think, honestly, anyone could wear this. It's just so cute. The other one from Bonnie and Blythe, if I can bring it up, is the Alcoy dress. And this is just a great raglan sort of baseball style t-shirt dress. It's got lots of different variations. Again, you can, you know, do it in a fancier fabric, make it a little more dressy. You can do contrast on the sleeves here. I think that's a really cute look. And so they give you lots of really great options with this really cute dress. If we click over to the pattern, let's see here, I think we can bring up a size range. Yeah, double extra small to quadruple XL. And yeah, go over there and grab your free copy. Halla Patterns offers us this beautiful Agnes swing top and dress. Again, this is just such a versatile piece. It goes from sizes 0 to 30 and all those different sleeve lengths and hem lengths. You just can't go wrong. Fabric.com offers quite a few patterns actually, and the one that I'm looking at here is called the Medina Caftan. You don't have a ton of pictures of it, but if you have a look, you can see that you just bring it up. You don't even have to sign up for, you know, sign in your email or anything. You just click on that See Pattern Download Now and it comes right up for you. I think that you could do this in a couple of different lengths. You could really dress it up or dress it down. It's a really great one. Next, we have one that's kind of a classic from Made for Mermaids, and I don't know if I can really call this new to me, except that I just thought it was so cute and it was something that is so versatile for so many people. I had to include it. If you look at just all the different fabrics this can be made in, it's one of those patterns that you really could just live in all summer long. They have so many different versions. Their sizing is a little different in that they don't put numbers or anything. They have colors for their pattern sizes. And so I think if we pan down here, we can see that it goes up to a 51-inch bust. So you choose it by your bust or by your hip, whatever you want, but those are the size ranges. Really great. Okay, so now I'm going to head over to Chrome, and that's because I'm going to start to do non-English language patterns. This brand here, Initiative Handarbeit, does all free patterns, both sewing and knitting. And you can see that when it comes up, it just asks me if I want English, and then immediately it just instantly changes it to English. I absolutely love this dress. I think this is so classic and so beautiful. Now, one problem with this Initiative Handarbeit is that they do have very limited sizing. So this only comes in 2 sizes. You would have to adjust it, but I just wanted to show it to you because it's so interesting. You can see that all of the instructions have been translated. I'm sure some of the words are off here and there, but certainly something that you can follow, and you just download the pattern, and they put out new collections, I think 4 times a year. It's pretty great. The other one I love from them is this adorable jumpsuit. They've styled it both with something underneath as a transitional piece, but also on its own. And I just thought that was so cute and so on trend. I just thought it had such great lines that I wanted to share it with you guys. The Abbi, it's called. Yeah, sporty and elegant. This one comes in 3 sizes, slightly better, but I get that it's a limited size range, but I think it was one to share. Oh Mother Mine DIY is a Spanish pattern company. It's actually not a pattern company. The lady is a blogger and she's a YouTuber, and all of her patterns are free, and there are a lot of them, let me tell you. Babies, kids, moms, it's just a ton of them, and they all come with some great instructions. Again, when you put it into Chrome, it'll automatically just translate it into English, so you don't even have to worry. And also she has videos for practically every single one of her patterns, and so you have lots of options. Again, this is not one that has a large size range. There are only 3 sizes because these are all hand-drawn patterns. But there's such a wealth of patterns in here that I just thought it was worth showing you guys. On Bernina, this is the Dutch site. There is this really adorable dress, and I just thought this was so cute, something that you could really do a lot with. And this comes in 4 sizes, so it's extra small, small, medium, and large, I think it is. And again, if you open this in Chrome, it will automatically translate for you, and you can print out the pattern, and then the instructions are just here below. There are pictorials. You've got a lot of explanation, and so I thought this was a good one to include. I've become a little obsessed with this website, Vicky Sews, and this is the Vicky dress. And I believe that the lady in the picture is Vicky. She's a pattern designer in Russia, and the patterns are on point. They are so stylish. They're so on trend. The ones that you're paying for are really reasonably priced. And there's a video coming up here where she kind of models it. Here we go. Yeah, really, really cute. So the instructions are in Russian, but there are pictures that come with, like there's a pictorial as you go along as well. And then there's Grasser.ru, which is a big company that does many, many patterns. There is an English version of Grasser now. It is very new, and I'll link it below as well. However, on the English version, there are only 5 free patterns, and on the Russian side, there are 27 or more free patterns. These are all free that I'm showing you right now. Yeah, lots of them. So if you're brave enough to just give it a try, you can have some beautiful patterns. So this one I want to show you here is number 617. This is what I'm looking at doing. And the nice thing about it is that there is a full sew along with 3 YouTube videos that give you step by step. Yes, it's in Russian, but you can see everything and you can follow along. And there are 4 heights as well as size ranges. So you're getting a really customized fit because you're only downloading one pattern, but it's customized to your size. And you can see here that there are 3 videos, and those videos follow, they're at least a half an hour each, and they follow the entire making of the pattern. So they really handhold you if that's what you like. Here comes one.
Номер 617. Какие материалы мы рекомендуем выбирать?
Okay, now we are on to accessories, believe it or not. And this is a German website. I'm going to butcher the name, Hummelhonig, something to that effect. This is a beach bag, and I just thought it was the cutest beach bag. It comes in 2 sizes. Look at all the different ways you can do the strap and add trim, and I just thought perfect for summer, a great big carry-all beach bag. So I thought that was adorable. From the same site, you have this, what they call a bean bag, and essentially it's a toy holder. You can put stuffed animals in there and use it as a little ottoman. But I also thought, hey, out of season fabric, anyone? Lots of, of your scraps. I thought that could be absolutely perfect. So, so cute. One of my very favorite pattern companies, Victory Patterns out of Toronto, offers the Madrid Tote. Oh, I love this. It's so cute. I love this combo here too of the teal with the pink and also the classic jean denim. And then of course from Helen's Closet, we have her little tote bag offering called the Costa Tote that I'll zoom in on here. Love that with the pockets on the outside. Both of these, the last one and this one are when you sign up for their newsletter. So you get that little tote bag, which I think is so sweet. Next, we have this really cute wrap belt from Monster Fabrickin. And I just love the shape of this. I think this is something that's great for all of those willowy cotton dresses that we all have for summer. And I think this will be perfect for that. And then the other one is a bag from Nanny Eero. And with this bag, you actually draft it yourself using the Nanny Eero handwritten plotting. And you can see that, yes, it's written in Japanese, but all of the numbers are using our characters as well. So you can use the diagrams and figure it out and make this adorable little bag. Okay, you guys, that is it. Those are all of the dresses, all of the jumpsuits, all of the accessories that I could find, well, that I wanted to show you today, shall we say.
All right, that's it for today. What did you think?
I hope that you found something new, something to inspire you, a little treat that you can download for yourself and really enjoy sewing something special for summer. I know that there are a bunch of those that are going to go on my list. And yeah, so I look forward to sharing the rest of them with you next time. I hope that if you enjoyed this, you'll give it a thumbs up. You'll subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe share it with a friend who you could think could use a little sewing pick-me-up with a free pattern. Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.